Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Okay, today we're going to do some very simple string methods. And the first one is going to be one of the simplest of all, is print. Print a string. Hello, I'm a string. You can't get any simpler than that. So that's the first one. Let's just run it. Hello, I'm a string. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. So we're going to create something, a variable called my text. I'm going to link it to a string. My name is Joe. So we're going to print this. We'll get rid of this as well because I don't want this interfering. So we're going to print this one here. Print my text dot capitalize and this should capitalize it. Okay, so it's capitalized the first letter there. Right, let's have a look at the next one on here. We just actually increase the font size here, see if we can get any bigger. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so the next one, I'm going to create my text 1 is equal to lower case. Right, so print my text 1 dot lower. Right, so we should be able to reduce that to lowercase from that. There we go. You can see it's now all in lowercase. Okay, so now I'm going to do my center text. Okay, we're going to center text using arguments is equal to, let's say, London. Okay, so print my center text dot center, pass it 15 here. So we're going to center the text. Let's run it. There we go. So look how we've centered it here. Okay, and now the next one, I'm going to create a variable called my text count. I'm going to assign it to a string, so let's do something. Okay, I'm going to do print my text count dot count sum. So we're going to count the number of occurrences of some in this sentence. That's what it's all about. So let's just save that. That was never clear. Oh, I see. Okay, so let's run that. Okay, so we have one occurrence of some in that sentence, which is there. Okay. And we're going to UTF encode a string. So my encode string is equal to check this out, print my encode string dot encode This will encode the string to UTF-8. So let's just save that. Let's just run it. Okay. There we go. Right. The next one on here. String ends with. So the result will be Boolean. True Boolean. Boolean, true or false. So string ends with. Okay, so we've got equal to a fairly normal string. Okay, we're going to assign a variable now. Y is equal to string ends with dot ends with. Okay, and then we're going to print out the Y. To see if it ends with that, let's have a look. It's going to be true or false value here. So it's false because the string doesn't end with that. Let's just add the full stop there. Let's see what value we get now. So save that, run it, and we got the true value because it ends with that, ends with the full stop. Okay, so we've done string ends with, so we're going to do string starts with equal to another normal string. Okay, so again, Y is equal to string starts with dot starts with, and we're going to see if it starts with another. It's going to give us another either true or false answer for this. So print Y. Okay, let's run it. True, because it starts with another. We'll try this. Let's run it again. Should get a false here. False, because it doesn't start with another. Okay, so there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. and remember to hit that subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.